Hello, I am Dr. Rajesh Patil, Dean and Head School of Pharmacy, Pimpri Chinchwad University. At our School of Pharmacy, we believe pharmaceutical education must combine scientific knowledge, ethical values, and real-world healthcare impact. Our mission is to prepare skilled and responsible pharmacy professionals who can contribute meaningfully to healthcare society. We at PCU School of Pharmacy offers Pharmacy Council of India approved programs that focus on strong academic foundations and practical learning. This includes Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor in Pharmacy, and doctoral research programs. Each program is designed to help students to develop deep scientific understanding, professional competence, and research capability. Hands-on learning is the heart of our academic approach. Students at PCU School of Pharmacy gain experience through state-of-the-art laboratories, a fully equipped machine room that stimulates pharmaceutical industry processes, and a central instrumentation facility that supports advanced research and analytical studies. These facilities ensure that students translate theoretical concepts into practical pharmaceutical expertise. We actively encourage research, innovation, and industry engagements. At Pimpri Chinchwad University, our goal is to nurture pharmacy professionals who are knowledgeable, ethical, innovative, and industry ready. We invite aspiring students to join us and become a part of experienced learning environment where highly experienced faculty and NEP 2020 align outcome-based curriculum where the science meets purpose and education meets impact. So welcome to Pimpri Chinchwad University School of Pharmacy where the future of healthcare begins.